Today marks the start of a project that's been brewing in my mind for a while. I recently picked up a second-hand HP EliteDesk 800 G3 SFF. It is working fine, but I've got much bigger plans for it. I'm going to transform it into a powerful, reliable machine that can handle heavy editing softwares with very ease. But this isn't just about upgrading the internals. I am building something truly unique, something no one would expect. Instead of a standard PC case, I am crafting a custom wooden enclosure with an antique feeling. It won't just be functional, it will be a piece of art. I won't reveal everything just yet, there's more to come, and I will keep you guys updating the progress of this project. So stick around, this journey is just beginning.